So in the last 54 days, since September 19 until today, as I'm recording this, it's November 12th, I've been able to do $90,112 in affiliate commissions. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how I've been able to do that. How's it going? My name is 𝐏𝐸𝐿. In case we've never met before, I'm an affiliate marketer, and I actually create campaigns that not only work for me, but they work for many other members who join my team. So first thing I want you to do is, if you find this video helpful, after we get into it, click the like button, make sure to click the subscribe button as well. Tick the bell notification icon so this way you don't miss any future videos when I upload them. So let's get into it, guys, because this video is gonna be probably not very long, but it's gonna be very informative. So check this out. This is my email right here, and as you can see, 7:35 p.m. I had a notification that came in, and as you can see right there, let me actually highlight this, a $2,000 commission came in from a program called E1U Life. Now, if I go to this program, if we go into it right here, let me refresh the screen, make sure I'm still logged in. Check this out. So far with this program, ever since September 19th, when I started promoting it, so far I've been able to do exactly $52,825. And already, if this was the only commission that came in the 54 days that I've been in it, this is pretty good, right? It's almost $1,000 a day. But here's the thing. These actually were not the only commissions that came in. If we go here, this is my shopping cart. This is another place that I collect commissions. Let's just refresh this, see if anything else came in. Check out the dates, September 19 to November 12, and that's whatever, 54 days or 54 days. Here is another $37,287. So if you add all of this up, that's $90,112 in exactly 54 days in affiliate commissions. Let me say this. My results are not typical. I don't do typical things in my business, and neither should you. Now, with that being said, let me say this. All of this, first of all, came in with 100% free traffic. Okay, that's the very first thing that I want to mention. Secondly, if you're starting as an affiliate marketer right now, I want you to understand this. Anybody can go and join a program and get a link to promote. Yes? But one of the things that they don't tell you when you're going to promote a program, or one of the things that is kind of assumed you would already know, but if you're new, you probably don't know this, is that you can't just send traffic to an affiliate link of asking people to buy stuff. It just doesn't work, period. I know, I've tried it. I've been an affiliate marketer for quite a long time, and I've tried that. So what is the solution? How do you actually get commissions? Well, I'm going to explain it to you right here in this video. You're going to need to do a few things. You're going to need to, this is, by the way, if you're not using a marketing campaign from someone else, like the marketing campaign that I actually give you, when you can click the link below to actually get it. But if, let's say you're just starting out, you're going to need to build pages. You're going to need to learn about copywriting, right? Like words that sell, how to position stuff in a way that gets people's attention. And that's something that I've been honing my craft for the last 8 years or 2014 is when I actually got started. So how many years is that? 2014, 8 years actually, 8 years that I've been doing this. So copywriting is one of the most important things. Next, you're gonna need to do some type of a presentation, maybe a video sales letter, maybe some type of webinar. That's also really good to have. You're gonna need to connect everything, all the pages. You're gonna need to put them together. You're gonna need to collect the lead, follow up with the lead, learn about email copywriting, learn how to send emails that compel people to take action and stuff. You're gonna need to create follow-up series. You're gonna need to record videos. You're gonna need to upload those videos. You're gonna need to know how to basically also get traffic and all that kind of stuff. So when you're starting out, if you have to do all of those things, what do you think are your chances of actually generating commissions? Like, you're probably gonna be caught up with learning those things first of all, and then testing them out, trying them out, and basically trying to get results and stuff, right? But there is a solution. there was a solution that you can literally shortcut through 90% of that stuff and just get straight to the part where you're just sending traffic and starting to generate results with your online business. And the way you do that is this. You find a proven, already working affiliate marketing campaign like the one I have as an example. And when you actually join my team, what I do is I give you this campaign, not a similar campaign, not a kind of the same campaign, but the actual campaign, the same campaign you've just seen me log into my accounts and show you live that I've made $90,000 with, $90,000 plus with, just in the past 54 days. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my daughter, Karina. And we're actually watching The Dark Knight right now on TV. But she spilled some water on her shirt, so she had to go change her shirt. And now we're going to go back to it right after this video. So, going back to what I was saying. You're going to basically be getting the actual campaign that I use. I'm the one that sends out the emails on your behalf. I'm the one that does the webinar on your behalf, all the explaining, the selling, the members area, the videos, everything. The whole thing is done. Like, it's all done. You're actually going to be leveraging my exact campaign when you join my team. So to join my team, here's what you need to do. There's 3 simple steps, okay? 3 simple steps. I'm going to tell you what they are right now. Step number 1, just below this video, there's going to be a link for you to click on. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over to the actual campaign, and you're basically going to need to watch the webinar because I'm sure you're full of questions right now. How does it work? How much money can I make? Can I really earn $2,000 commissions? What's the traffic source? How do I do this? All these questions are going to be answered right on the webinar. So I want you to click the link below and go watch it. Second step is when you need to basically activate your income streams, because this marketing campaign, as you've seen, doesn't just get commissions from one program. Yeah, one program is great, but if I only promoted the one program as an example, E1U Life, I would only ever be able to make the 52,000. But because I've integrated into this campaign multiple programs, then you basically that enables me and you and many other members to generate multiple commissions, not just one. So you're going to need to activate those programs and put in your affiliate IDs. Now, the most important one that you want to activate is the first income stream. And that one is called E1U Life. And I want you to activate it at a level called Vertex Live. Vertex Live. Here's why. And it's really important that it's actually Vertex Live. When you activate your E1U Life program at the Vertex Live level, what happens is this. First of all, you're basically skipping all of the product creation stuff. So you're already going to get a product to sell that's good to go. On top of that, they're going to build for you a page, a custom page, including your logo, including information about you and all that. Because you're going to need that page when I'm going to teach you a free traffic strategy when you're in the campaign on basically how I'm generating my traffic. And I can tell you what it is right now. It's going to be Facebook and YouTube. Those are my 2 traffic sources. Now, if you're wondering, okay, David, that's great that you're telling me all of this, but how do I get traffic from YouTube? I'm not recording any videos. I don't know how to record videos. First of all, I understand that. And that's why I want you to join at Vertex Live. Because when you join at Vertex Live, what's going to happen is this. You're going to be able to get my actual YouTube videos, the same exact videos that have been generating me commissions. I'm going to be giving you the video files so you can leverage them on your own channel, essentially. Your own channel, your own social media. You are the one that gets to keep 100% of that traffic. And on top of that, you get to keep 100% of those commissions. So these commissions that you've seen, these are 100% commissions. Not all of them, but the first 2 programs are 100% commissions. So you get to keep all the traffic and you get to keep all the money, essentially. And all you need to do is basically just join at the Vertex Live and I give you those videos to use in your marketing. Now, again, I can't guarantee any specific results because I don't know you, I don't know your work ethic. I might give you the best campaign in the world, the best traffic source in the world, but if you do nothing with it, then exactly nothing is going to happen. But if you just follow the simple steps that I laid out for you, then you'd be doing what people who are actually successful with my marketing campaigns are doing. I've had a member who's done 44,000 in his first 21 days. Like, who does that? That's insane. And it's not even his campaign. He's leveraging my campaign. I've had a member who's done $20,000 in his first 18 days. I've had a member actually with the first version of this campaign. Listen to this. He was working as a cleaner. He injured his back. He was doing $800 a month. And he found one of my videos, just like you're watching this video right now. And what happened is he joined at the Vertex Live. And essentially, he followed exactly what I showed him to do. And he was able to do in a year's time, less than a year's time actually, it was about 10 months, $250,000 in commissions. Let that process for a second. $250,000. From $800 a month to doing $250,000 in 10 months. That's absolutely insane. Okay, and that's possible. I'm not saying you're gonna do that. You might do more, you might do less, you might do nothing at all. I don't know. I've had a member who's done over 6 figures with this in a single month, like over $100,000 a month in commissions. And he did that 2 months in a row, just to show you like what's possible with this. So here's what you want to do to get started. First thing, there's 3 simple steps. Remember, step number 1 is click the link just in the video description. Go check out the webinar. That's going to answer pretty much all of your questions. Step number 2 is activate your income streams and join my team, join my personal team by clicking the link like below, going to watch the webinar, and then activate Vertex Live when you get to the members area. Okay, inside the system is called Profits Passport. Make sure that that's the actual website that you're going to be ending up on, profitspassport.com. You're going to end up on that website when you click the link below. And then you want to activate a Vertex Live, because that's going to be one of the things that I'm going to be including for you is the YouTube videos. Now, also, in addition to that, there's step number 3, which is the traffic, right? You need to generate traffic in order to the campaign. I give you the campaign, but you need to send the traffic, right? And I'm going to give you the videos. You're going to be able to leverage that. Plus, I'm also going to be inviting you to a special webinar that I do all about how to generate hyper responsive leads from Facebook for free, like a free traffic strategy. Shouldn't take you more than 18, maybe 20 minutes a day to do this. So if you can follow simple, clear instructions and you want to start truly changing your life, I mean, I can't tell you, you just go through the channel, go through my channel and look at the case studies that I've done. I've had single moms that have done, one single mom specifically, she's from Florida. She's done over $43,000 in her first 5 weeks or so. Like, I don't remember the exact details and stuff, but check it out. It's all on the channel. And you're going to be able to see real life like users, real people just like you, just like me, that don't have any special type of abilities or anything like this. They haven't been marketing gurus or anything. But one good affiliate marketing campaign, just one good one, can literally make you thousands of dollars per day. And my marketing campaign is proof of that. It's making me thousands of dollars per day, as you've just seen. And on top of that, it's making my members, some members, thousands of dollars per day. So to wrap up this video, click the link below, go check out the webinar. If you're serious about changing your financial future and you can follow simple, clear instructions, stuff that I literally lay out for you step by step, you can do this, okay? Click the link below, go watch the webinar. Step 2, join at Vertex Live, very, very important, because that's gonna give you the full bonus package, including my YouTube videos, plus a whole bunch of other stuff. It's valued at over $11,000, so go check it out. And step 3 is sending traffic. Just slam your link with traffic exactly the way I show you, with free traffic. Doesn't cost you anything, just a little bit of time to implement it. And then just let the machine do the work. I send out the emails on your behalf with your affiliate links. I send out the email with your affiliate links. So essentially it's like you sat down, you wrote the email, you sent it out, but you didn't do any of that. I did that. Essentially, and I follow up with your leads and all that kind of stuff. So go ahead, check it out, and don't forget, before I wrap up this video, hit the like button and also make sure to subscribe and tick the bell notification icon